If you want to connect Fireflies AI with Zapier and automate your workflows, this video will walk you through the full setup step by step. By the end, you'll know how to create a Zap, choose Fireflies AI as the trigger, connect your account, add an action app like Google Sheets, test the workflow, and publish it so everything runs automatically. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get started. First, open Zapier in your browser. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the Create button and click it. This is where you start building a new automation from scratch. After that, choose Zap Workflows. That takes you into the Zap editor, where you can connect one app suite to another and build a no-code automation. Now it's time to choose your trigger. Click on Trigger, because this is the event that starts your workflow. In the app search bar, type Fireflies AI and select it from the results. Fireflies AI is the app that will send the event into Zapier, so this is the first half of the integration. Next, you'll need to choose an event. Depending on your workflow, you can pick any event that matches what you want Zapier to watch for. Once you select the event, Zapier will ask you to sign in to your Fireflies AI account. Go ahead and log in, so Zapier can connect securely and access the data it needs for the trigger. After the trigger is connected, move to the action section. This is the part of the automation that happens after Fireflies AI detects the trigger event. In the app search, choose the tool you want to connect to. For example, you can search for Google Sheets if you want to send meeting data into a spreadsheet. You could also choose other apps depending on your workflow, but Google Sheets is a great example because it's simple and useful for tracking information. Once you've selected your action app, click on Choose an Event and pick the action you want Zapier to perform. Then log into that account as well. This step connects the second app so Zapier can send the data from Fireflies AI into the destination app automatically. Now review the setup and make sure everything is connected properly. After that, click Build It at the top to continue. Zapier will guide you through mapping the fields and confirming how data should move from Fireflies AI into your chosen app. This is where you can make sure the right meeting notes, transcripts, summaries, or other information go into the right place. Before you turn it on, click Test Run. Testing is important because it helps you confirm that the automation works exactly the way you expect. If anything looks off, this is the time to adjust the setup before it goes live. Once the test succeeds, you'll know your Zap is ready. Finally, click Publish. That activates your automation and makes the integration live. From that point on, Fireflies AI and Zapier will work together automatically based on the trigger and action you configured, and that's it. You've now learned how to integrate Fireflies AI with Zapier step by step. This is a powerful way to save time, automate repetitive tasks, and move meeting data into the tools your team already uses. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.